In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dropbox files to computer. By the end, you'll know 2 reliable ways to save your Dropbox content directly to your device using the desktop app through File Explorer and using a web browser on Dropbox.com. I'll walk you through each method slowly and clearly, and I'll point out what to look for so you know it's working. Let's start with the desktop app method. Begin by opening File Explorer on your computer. In the left-hand navigation pane, click your Dropbox folder. That opens the same folders and files you see online, but presented right inside File Explorer. Next, find the specific file or folder you want to save locally. When you see it, right-click on it. In the menu that pops up, look for the Dropbox options and choose Make Available Offline. This tells Dropbox to store a local copy on your computer so you can open it even without an internet connection. Now, watch the icon next to your file or folder. If you see a little cloud, that means it's online only. After you choose Make Available Offline, the icon should change to a blue syncing symbol. That means the download is in progress. Give it a moment. Larger files may take longer depending on your connection. When it's finished, you'll see a solid green circle with a white check mark. That's your confirmation that the file is physically saved on your computer inside the Dropbox folder, ready to open instantly, even if you're offline. If you prefer using a web browser, here's the second method. Go to Dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate through your folders to locate the exact file or folder you want to download. Hover your mouse over it and a small empty checkbox will appear to the left of the name. Click that checkbox to select it. After you select it, look at the menu bar that appears at the top of the file list. Click Download. If you don't see the top menu, you can also click the 3 dots to the right of the file name and choose Download there. Your browser will begin saving the item to your default downloads location. Keep an eye on your browser's download indicator, and once it completes, your file is ready to open from your computer. That's it. 2 simple methods to get your Dropbox content onto your device. The desktop app is great for keeping ongoing files available offline, while the browser method is perfect for quick one-off downloads. Thanks for watching.